collapse load for beam. For continuous beam, we in our last class we calculated the collapse load for continuous beam. Today I will calculate a very simple thing, that is only for beam. For beam means this type of thing. I think we did in last class. It may be UDL, it may have concentrated load at any segment A, B, W, small w. I will this type of beam, it may have concentrated load at any distance A and B. It may have UDL also. Okay, simplest thing, simply supported beam carrying UDL, simply supported beam carrying. You can apply also UDL, UVL also. Any type of load can be there. Any type of load can be there. So I will not discuss that, because if we are calculating the collapse load using kinematic method, then W external means external work done is required. So the calculation of external work done, force multiplied by the covered area, if it is UDL or UVL. Okay, if it is point load, then simply ordinate multiplied by the force. So it not the meaning is not the problem if the load are changing. Okay, so I am not concentrating on that. If in your exam in place of point load or UDL, if there is UDL, then no problem. Okay, find out the required area, and calculation for the area is a very simple thing. Learn. नहीं, normally not. कर सकते हैं, you can do. Okay, आप करके मेरे पास लाइएगा. If you have any problem, then I will help you. Okay, so I will calculate the collapse load for such type of cases. These are the individual type of beams. These are the individual types of beams. In last class we did such type of thing. This is the example of the continuous beam. We did this type of thing. It may have point load, it may UDL, it may point load, that type of thing. This is the complex thing that we did in last class, and we will do this simple thing today. Okay, and one more type of thing I will prefer to tell you. If cross section is changing, in that question the cross section is uniform. If the cross section is changing, suppose it is 2 MP, it is MP, and any point load can be there. Say this is the point load. Okay, say at this point here point load is there. Okay, one thing I would like to tell you before going to start this calculation, if there is a change of cross section, if in question, if in the segment of beam, if the cross section exists, then what it means? If the cross section is change of cross section is there, then you have to remember one thing, that if this beam is suppose A, B, and this is point C, and this suppose point D, then tell me the number of total possibilities of plastic hinge. What are those numbers? 1, 2, these are the compulsory. A and B, these are the compulsory. Then optional D. Okay, these are 3, and which one are A, B, and D? Now I will tell you. If the cross section, change of cross section exists, then add one more. It will see also, means 3 plus 1, that will be 4. If the cross section, change of cross section is also there, then at that point, at the point where the cross section is changing, there may be also the possibility to form the plastic hinge. Why? Because the bending moment will be maximum. If you will plot the bending moment, then you definitely you will have the peak at point C also. So now for this case, the number of locations, position of the plastic hinge where they can form, that will be A, D, C and B. No, not B. B is all. Okay. So we did a wrong thing. So it will be only 1, 2, 3. मतलब 2 plus 1. Okay. Okay. 3. आपने बताया कि no भाई, I am not told that the plastic hinge cannot be possible at point A, B. Right? Why? Normal is up. Initially it is normal hinge ना, पहले से ही है. Prior to that, then why? How it is possible to make plastic hinge? आपको कहना चाहिए. आप शांति से बैठे मत. If I am not speaking the correct thing, then please correct me. Okay, I welcome such type of argument. I welcome. Okay, you are most welcome to ask. Sir, how it possible? आपको पूछना चाहिए. How it will be possible to have the plastic hinge at point B? आपको कहना चाहिए. Okay. इस तरीके के discussion, such type of discussion are required, and I welcome that type of discussion. Okay. So I will start from simple. This one. इससे करते हैं. Okay. Now consider this one. These are very simplest. Out of this, it is the simplest. Okay. If the case is this, if our case is like this, total length L, then we have to find the value of collapse load. Collapse load means maximum value of W, which is safe to carry by that beam. If the beam is AB, and if we are doing this question using kinematic method, if I am going to take by kinematic method, then definitely we must have the idea about the mechanism. It is based on this kinematic method is based on the upper bound theorem, and it is on the basis of the mechanism form. Okay. So for that you must know the value of ds, and ds is 0 here. It is simply supported beam. So the number here, required number of plastic hinge, it will be 0 plus 1, that is 1. Okay. And that will possible at the point of maximum bending moment. So the value of capital N is how much? Only 1. And at point, if this point is C, then it is at point C. So number of mechanism, it is capital N minus ds, that is 1 minus 0, that is 1. Okay. So the plastic hinge, it is at point A, it is hinge previously, so no need. At here the plastic hinge will form and its direction will be this. Okay. And that bending moment will be MP. Because there is a bending moment MP, plastic moment of resistance, that's why it is plastic hinge. These two are not the plastic hinge. These two are the normal hinge. This is the plastic hinge. Okay. So after having that mechanism, this is what? It is the mechanism. It is the assumed mechanism. And assumed mechanism क्या? It is a It is only mechanism. So assumption is no meaning of assumption here, because we have only one mechanism. No meaning of assumption. Okay. So to calculate the value of that collapse load, we have to equate W external equals to W internal, and to calculate the value of W external and W internal, we must have the deflected shape. So when we apply the load after the formation of hinge at that point, then what will happen? All of sudden deformation at that point will take place. So that point will go downward. Suppose that deformation is delta. So it will be its shape will be this, and that is the deflected shape. Okay. Suppose that variation is theta 1, that rotation is theta 1. If it is theta 2, then at here it is also theta 1, it is also theta 2. Now we can write the value of W external and we can write the value of W internal. What will be the value of W external? It will be simply W multiplied by the delta. So we will write here as W into delta equals to it will not be considered here because the moment, plastic moment is not here. Okay, that will also not be considered. Only this one will be considered. Okay, so that will be MP into theta 1 plus theta 2. What will be the value of theta 1 and theta 2? We can calculate by using similarity. We can calculate using similarity. So using similarity, I have theta 1 equals to delta by A, and theta 2 equals to delta by B. Okay. So if this value is no problem, put that values. Okay, put that values. So W into delta means यहाँ से निकाल लो वैल्यू ऑफ डेल्टा इक्वल्स टू थीटा 1 इंटू ए. ओके, यहाँ पे करता हूँ डेल्टा इक्वल्स टू थीटा 1 इंटू ए एंड वैल्यू ऑफ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. assume that value as ऐसे हो जाएगा, एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. और हाँ, यस हो जाएगा ना. डेल्टा विल कैंसिल आउट ना. W into delta equals to MP del by A plus delta by. Now it will be cancelled out. Delta will be cancelled out. Okay. So it will be MP common A plus B, and that value will be MP L upon AB. Okay, with delta, है ना? Delta will also be there, and it is W into delta. So the value of W, it is simply L upon AB times of. So this is the kinematic approach. This is the kinematic approach to get the value of collapse load, and that value is what? Maximum क्या लिखूं मैं? कोलैप्स में मैक्सिमम क्या है ना? इट इज ओनली, अगर फेल हो गया तो वही है ना, मैक्सिमम तो वही है. कोलैप्स लोड आर क्या, ये इसको अल्टीमेट लोड भी बोलते हैं. अल्टीमेट लोड, मीनिंग ऑफ कोलैप्स एंड अल्टीमेट, इट्स सिनोनिमस. It is synonymous. And if we are doing that, if we are calculating, if we want to calculate that W using static method, then in place of that assumed mechanism, what I have to do? We have to make the collapse BMD. So let us make that. This is our given beam. And we know Since that has zero static indeterminacy, since it is zero static indeterminacy, the free bending moment, what will be the free bending moment? You see, यही हो जाएगा. It's the same bending moment. Free bending moment will be that, and that value will be how much? WAB by L. It will be free BMD. And what is the free BMD? I have told you in my last class. है ना? Free BMD is for the BMD of free BMD is for BMD for structure having ds equals to 0. That can also be stated. Okay, what is the free BMD? Free BMD is the BMD of that structure which has the zero static indeterminacy. Okay, and what will be the free BMD for indeterminate type of structure? Simply remove the redundant and plot the bending moment. यही तो हुआ. That's the meaning of BMD now. If indeterminate type of thing, indeterminate type of beam is there. So if you want to find the free BMD, then what I will do? What I should do? Remove the redundant and plot the BMD. Here in this question, no need of removing any type of thing because it is degree of static indeterminacy. It is 0. Previously it is 0. Okay. Now what will be the after that? हम लोग क्या? What we are doing? We are plotting the collapse BMD. We are plotting the collapse BMD. So where is the possibility to make the plastic hinge at the maximum point? Maximum point of bending moment only is this. Okay, so it will be that, and that will be M. Okay, redundant BMD is absent here. Because it does not has any redundant. है क्या? Because it does not has any redundant. Therefore at equilibrium at point where? If this point is C, so equilibrium at point C, what we will have? Value of MP equals to WAB by simple. Okay, बस हो गया. Same result is there. MP equals there, so W will be what? L upon AB. Okay. Pardon? क्या करें? ओके.
तो उसमें MP डिफाइन होता है कैसे?
MP meaning of MP, I have told you that it is the maximum moment resistant capacity on the basis of its plastic analysis. If the rectangular section is there, then it's the value will be sigma y times of ZP, and ZP is BD square by 4. That is the section modulus. That section modulus when multiplied by the sigma y. Sigma y is what? Is the maximum permissible strength in that type of material. In case of concrete beam, say M20, so what is the permissible value? 7. In case of M15, it is 5. In case of steel, for Fe250, it is very high, 130. Okay, value of B and D. By putting the value of B and D, you can calculate that value of MP. So after having the value of MP, L and B, you are able to find the value of the collapse load W. Okay. I think you are asking, sir, where what we should select the value of MP. I think that was your question. That will depend upon what will be the value of MP. That will depend upon many factors. What is the availability of the class sections? Okay, if from the factory that type of thing is not, that required section is not in the practice of manufacturing, then what I will do? Designer have to change the section. He will have to select that section which is most common available in the market. Okay, so for that we did, in case of that UDL, okay, in case of UDL, if UDL is there, W, you make right from next page, you do not make the correction in the previous question. Okay, this is the second case second. This one is completed. Case second, we are next calculating the value of collapse load for that case. Okay, second one, pardon, अभी मैं ऐसा नहीं करूंगा. After that I will do that type of thing also. Okay, after that you will be able to answer. अभी इसमें करने दो. Let me do. These are the standard cases. So mechanism will be same. What will be difference only? नहीं, mechanism में तो वैसा ही होगा. There will not be any change. Okay, यहाँ पे bending moment, इसमें तो change हो जाएगा. It will change, but that will not be any change. Changes will be here. Changes will be here. Okay, internal work done will also not be changed. होगा क्या? It will not, only that will be changed. Okay, and in place of delta, that area will be selected. Okay, so in place of this I will write W into ये. What is the covered area? Covered area under UDL. What is that? It is half. Total length is L into delta. Half L into delta. So it will be W into half L into delta. That is the value. Okay, and value of this क्या होगी? ये L by 2 क्या? L by 2 L by 2. Okay, so A and B both are equal. L by 2 L by 2. If both A and B are equal, then the value of theta 1 and theta 2 will also be equal. Okay, so there is no need to write theta 1 and theta 2. Both are same. Since here A equals to B equals to L by 2, यहीं पे लिख देता हूँ. If since A is equal to B equals to L by 2, therefore theta 1 equals to theta 2. Let's say it is theta. Okay, so now the value what I have, I will have, that is MP into double times of theta, and it will be 2 times of theta, means delta by L by 2. Okay, L by 2, because A is what? L by 2 here. So ऊपर it will be 4 times of 4 times of MP into delta by L. Is it correct? And what is here? Here is W, small w, L into delta by 2. Okay, so value of WL, delta will be cancelled out. So the value of WL is equal to 8 MP by L. 8 MP by Here I have calculated as small w into L. What its meaning? Unit of W is in kilonewton per meter. Okay? The value of collapse load is represented in kilonewton. Since the value of collapse load is represented into kilonewton, then what will be the value of collapse load? If W collapse, then it will be simply W into L. Small w multiplied by L. So that value will, its unit will be in kilonewton. So WL, that will be represent a capital W. See, collapse load. Okay? Means how much total load can be distributed in that beam. Okay, do not confuse that this value is a small w. Okay, in question you have to very much care. Okay, that is the kinematic method. If we want to find that value of load by static method, then what I will do? Same thing. What will be? Free BMD will change since the load is UDL. Therefore BMD will क्या होगा? It will change. Free BMD will free BMD and its shape will be WL square by, and collapse BMD, it is MP maximum. Collapse BMD, it is maximum. So what is that? MP equals to WL square by, so the value of WL equals to WC equals to same result we are getting. So we are looking that static method is much more simpler. Static method is much more simpler, and that method has the limitation also. What is the limitation? Yes. If the BMD is not, if the plantation of the BMD is difficult, then that method will be difficult. If the plantation of the BMD, free BMD and collapse BMD, it is simple, then it is very much helpful. Okay. So in frame type of question, that method is not in practice of its use. Only kinematic method is used for frame type of questions. Okay. Now I would like to take, this one has been completed, that one has been completed. I would like to calculate for that. What is that? It is a prop cantilever with concentrated load. Next, third case. Our next case is this. Next case is this. What is the static indeterminacy? 1 we know. Okay, it means if we are solving this by static method, इसको पहले static से करते हैं. Okay, if we are solving this by static method, then we must have redundant भी होगा ना. Before plotting the free BMD, we must have to remove the redundant. And which type of redundant I have to remove? Which type of redundant? Moment. Yes, that I want to listen. That type of redundant I have to remove. Okay. So after removing that, what I will get? Simply supported beam with concentrated load. Okay. So since this static indeterminacy is ds is equals to 1, that's why it will have that as redundant, x as redundant in form of MA. And to plot the free BMD, we must have to remove that, and after removing that, we will get this one type of thing. Okay. So that is the released BMD, our primary structure. Then plot its BMD bending moment diagram, and that bending moment diagram will correspond to what? Free BMD. Okay. So the plotation of bending moments are that simple case. It's a very simple type of thing, and that we know its ordinate is WAB by L. So this is the free BMD. In this manner, the free BMD has been plotted, can be plotted. Okay. Now what will be the collapsed BMD? Superposition of that BMD and that. Okay. So make redundant BMD also. The procedure to make the collapsed BMD. Listen here. Procedure to make the collapsed BMD. Come to the redundant point. What is the redundant? Only one redundant. MA. It is here is 0. So plot its bending moment first of all. By knowing that value will be maximum value how much? MP. So considering that at point A, redundant has the value of MP, and here since it is normal it is 0, so plot its bending moment first of all, and that bending moment will be for what? Redundant BMD. So the redundant BMD, it will have ordinate MP and 0 here. Will be straight line. Okay. Which one is that? What is that? This is opposite is negative, but what is the BMD? This is the redundant BMD. This is the redundant BMD at plastic state. It is what? It is the redundant BMD at plastic state. In elastic state, it will not be MP. It will not be MP. It will be less than that. Okay. And what will be the collapse? Free BMD, superpose free BMD and redundant BMD. Okay. So after superposing, what I will get? This. Okay. That will be the required. So that is the minus, this is plus. Okay. And second condition, yielding. What can be the bending moment at here? Maximum bending moment at here? That can be clear. And now apply the where I should apply the equilibrium condition at point C. What will be that? That value will equal to be summation of this plus that one. Okay, and calculation of that one is very simple. MP, since it is a distance A, this is B, suppose it is Y, then we will calculate it from similarity, no problem. Okay, that ordinate we can calculate by using similarity. So we will calculate that. What will be that value? MP by L equals to Y upon that is B. So value of Y is B by L MP. So it is B by L MP. Okay, now equate equilibrium at point C. Now equilibrium at C. Equilibrium at C. Then it will be free BMD. Free BMD is W AB by L. That will equals to be MP plus that one Y has been calculated as B by L MP. So take the common as MP, then it will be 1 plus B by L. So it will be L MP by L, and the factor will be L plus B. Factor will be L plus B, and L is what? A plus B. Since L, so it will be A plus 2B, na? It will be A plus 2B. and left side it has the WAB by L. So L will be cancelled out. That L will cancel out. So what will be the value of capital W? W will be A plus 2B divided by AB times of, and that will be your collapse for that case. Clear to everybody? Clear to everybody how the static method should be used? This is a procedure how you have to make the calculations. How you have to make the collapse BMD, how you will have to make the free BMD. These two diagrams are required. Okay? These two diagrams are required. And now if we are calculating the same thing using kinematic method, then also no problem. We know where the mechanism has to be formed. We know very well where mechanism has to be formed. How many number of? Since the value of ds is 1, so the required number of plastic hinge, required number of plastic hinge for mechanism, how much? ds plus 1 means 1 plus 1, that is 2. So at two places we need to make the plastic hinges. What will be those? A and C. So value of capital A, value of capital N. If it is A, if it is B, if it is C, then what will be that? A and C. B will not be used because B is hinge initially, normal hinge. Okay? So no problem. This is the, and number of available mechanism kitna? N minus ds, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay? So plastic hinge, it is the normal hinge, and plastic hinge is this, and this is the mechanism. No, 2 na? Okay? This is plastic hinge, this is also plastic hinge, that is normal. Okay? This is the compulsory, and for this case it is not compulsory, it is not optional, it is compulsory. In that case, okay? In that case it is not compulsory, it is not optional, na? In continuous type of beam, that option will be there. Here we do not have any option. We have to make the plastic hinge. So if the load is being increased at point C, then what will happen? Sudden deformation will take place. Say this deformation is delta, so the deflected shape will have that form. Simple. Do this procedure what we did in our last questions. So that value is delta. If this is theta 1, if it is theta 2, then the value here delta theta 1, that will be theta 2. Apply W external and work done. W external equals to W external equals to W internal. What will be that? What will be W external? W multiplied by delta. W multiplied by delta, and that will be, what will be the internal work done? Value of internal work done. That will be considered here, na? MP into theta 1 plus that one part MP multiplied by theta 1 plus theta 2. यहाँ का कुछ नहीं, because it does not have any plastic moment. Okay? Clear? So write it. It has MP into theta 1 plus MP into theta 1 plus, and using similarity we can remove that. Using similarity we can remove that value of theta 1 will be delta by, if that distance is a, so delta by a, and theta 2 delta by b. Okay, put that. No need to assume any value because delta is here and that will be cancelled out. So W into delta equals to, take common as MP, then we will have, take MP and delta as common, MP and delta as common value, then we will have delta 1 means 1 by a plus here 1 by a plus okay, take the common factor as, take as AB, then it will be B, it will be 2B plus A, it is W into delta will be cancelled out, that, so what is the remaining value? W equals to, W says 2B plus A divided by AB times of, is it the same thing? Is it the same thing? We are getting. Pardon? इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन कहाँ पे लगाया हमने? In static. Okay. I have applied the equilibrium condition at point C because we know that at point B, at point C, the value of the moment. That's why only. किस पे? A point पे. A point पे इसमें नहीं ना? That value is 0. दोनों की value. At point C, C is the only point where we know that we don't know value. That value I know, we know. That value we know. Okay? That's it. And you have to apply the equilibrium condition at the point where the peaks of the free BMD is there. Simply, you have to apply the equilibrium condition at those points where the peaks of bending moment is there. Suppose this is the example. Suppose I have this type of case. Listen, suppose I have this type of case. Then what will be the free BMD? Free BMD can be calculated after removing that redundant, and after removing that redundant we will have that type of, so here if we plot the bending moment, then it will have certain type of value of reaction, and when the reaction multiplied by that length, it may have that ordinate, it may have that ordinate, so that can be the free BMD, that can be free BMD. Okay, and if that point is A, this is B, if this is C, this is D, so that value is known to us, that value will be known to us, and that value will be known to us. Okay, here that is known to us, but no need to. Okay, clear? यहाँ पर भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. यू कैन अप्लाई इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन एट हिच पॉइंट आल्सो. यू कैन आल्सो अप्लाई द इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन एट पॉइंट also. What you have to do? You have to find that ordinate. Listen here. If you want to apply the bending moment at this point, no problem. It will give the same result. It will give the same result. But what you have to do? You have to find that value. What? You have to find that value. Then what you have to find? Then you have find that value. Okay? Then find that value. Why you are making the complexity? Okay, so simply apply the equilibrium condition at the point where the peaks of free BMD, where the value is known in our free BMD. Clear? फ्री BMD की जहां पे पीक मालूम है वहीं पे लगाओ. Pardon? मैक्सिमम वाला देख लो. बस. Okay? So that has been completed. Which one? This one. Now let us do that. fixed. For that, okay, I am leaving that, you can do, okay, and I will do this one, prop cantilever with UDL, prop cantilever with, नहीं ये तो हो गया ना, नहीं हुआ, okay, next case is, that has been done, and that has also been, this one is also completed, okay, इसको करते हैं, this is प्राप्त, वो तो सभी जाएगा, this UDL. Consider this case. Case number, which one is? Fourth, fifth? Fourth. हाँ काइनेमेटिक किससे से भी कर, इससे करें पहले काइनेमेटिक फिर नो प्रॉब्लम. Kinematic method is based on which theorem? Upper bound. And static method is based on that. So required number of plastic hinge, if that point is A, if this is B, so the required since value of ds is 1, the required number of plastic hinge it will be 2, and that point will be what? First one is A and another is we do not know. Say this value is, this point is C, then it will be at C, A and C. Yeah. L ले तो it does not have the similarity. Meaning of, listen. Plastic hinge will form at the midpoint or not. If this is the point, it is a similarity. L by 2, it means similarity. But joint A and B, they are not the similar. And if we plot its a bending moment, then free BMD is this. It has that ordinate, redundant BMD, it will have that, the maximum bending moment is here, because it is not similar. If it is like this, then free BMD is this, it is this. Now the maximum bending moment will be at L by 2, okay, because both, for that case, for this is case of fixed A and B, it is both are same, fixed, but this is fixed, this is hinge, it is different. So the bending moment will not be at maximum bending moment peak will not be at midpoint, it will be a little bit, it will be shifted towards B. From here you can observe, okay. So first of all we should know the value of x. We should know the value of x. That has been calculated in my last class, it is 0.41. That value has been calculated as 0.414 L. Previously we have calculated that value as 0.414 L. Okay. A पॉइंट से कितना हो जाएगा L माइनस 0.414 कितना हो गया 0.596. Okay. So the first step to find the value of first step is to find the value of x. So we have completed, we did that, we calculated that value, but today I am just for revision how you can calculate, how you can calculate. So it can be calculated after MP and M. Okay, UDL, and we know very well at the point where the plastic hinge is formed, what is the value of the shear strength? Shear strength is 0. So that beam can be treated as simply separate. At that point, this one beam and that one beam can be separated individually, since the value of the shear force is 0. Here the value of shear force is 0. If the value of shear force is 0, then why we are connecting that? Connecting strength is, what is that? 0. Connecting strength, it does not have any connecting strength. Shear strength is 0, it means it is not connected. So at that condition, what will be the value of the reaction at point here? What will be that? It will be W into VB equals to, what will be that? W into X. And what will be that value of reaction here? W into L minus X, that is VA. Okay. If you want to find the value of X, then what I should do? Find out the value of MP from that side. Find the value of MP from that side. And now for that case, for that side, find the value of MP and equate the both. Equate both. यही तो किया था हमने. So if we are calculating the value of MP from that side, then what I will have. So apply equilibrium condition, sigma m about A equals to 0. Then what I have get? Value of MP anti-clockwise. This will also be clockwise, anti-clockwise. MP, and this is minus. So minus W into L minus X load by 2, that will equals to be 0. So the value of MP will be WL minus X square by 4. It is from here. It is from that side. And from that side, if we apply the bending moment 0 at point here B pe, then what I will have? Value of MP clockwise first, then it will not have anti-clockwise, minus W into X square by 2, that is 0. So value of MP is WX square by, so equate both to get the value of X. Equate both to get the value of X. Then what you will have by equating? So by equating WL minus X square by 4 equals to W X square by 2, you will get X is equal to 0.414. Okay, that type of thing we did in last class. So that was just for revision. That was just for revision. So the plastic hinge will form at point C, which is at the distance of 0.414 L from point B. Okay, and that location we must know prior to apply mechanism. So if we know that value, so no problem. I am erasing that. So when we will apply, when load is increasing further, then what will happen? It will deflect, go downward, and the deflected shape will have this side. Okay. If this value is theta 1, this value is theta 2, then that theta 1, it is theta 2. So equate W external equals to W internal. Work done. Equate the work done. What is the external work done here? What is the value of external work done here? W into area, covered area. So it is small w into area. Area is half L into delta. This is the covered area. Okay. And what is the internal? Internal will be what? MP into theta 1 plus MP into theta 1 plus theta 2. Or because? No. So it will be MP into theta 1 plus MP into theta 1 plus theta 2. And what will be that value? Theta 1 will be delta by what is L? What is that distance? What is that distance? L minus this one. So it is 0.586 L. Okay. So 0.586 L. And value of theta 2, it is delta by 0.414 L. Okay. Put that value here. Put that value. So MP and delta can be taken out. So value of this 1 by 0.5, इसको उसमें ले लें, डेल्टा बाई एल कितना है 1 by 0.586 करो. What is that? 1.70 1.706 and that one is 2.415. So put that. So we have to take common as delta by L. We have to take common as delta by L. Then it will have 1.706 plus this one theta 1, again theta 1, 1.706 plus this one 2.415. We will have this. Okay. Now tell me MP into delta by L, that factor, W into L delta by 2. So delta and delta will be cancelled out. Now tell me that value. 5.82. So the value of WL will be either 11.66 11.656 होगा फिर 6 क्या है? Okay, so that is the value. Now we will calculate this using that static method also. So remember that. Okay. Now calculate that using static method. So I have this structure, this beam. So the number of attendant, since value of ds equals to 1, so the number of attendant will be 1 and that value after yielding it can be MP. So the free BMD, for free BMD, that redundant have to be removed, and after removing that, we will get that structure, and we will have the bending moment WL square by 8. So it is the free BMD. It is a free BMD. Now I would like to plot its collapse BMD. Collapse BMD. Now I would like to plot its collapse BMD. So to plot the collapse BMD, I have told you, first step is to plot the BMD of the redundant. So the redundant is only one. So, and consider that redundant value as MP. So the value is this MP. Here it is 0. Then it is this. This is the redundant BMD at collapse, at plastic state. And superpose that one. And after superposing, we will get this. And that value will be the maximum BMD that we know. What is that maximum value? And that maximum value will be what? That maximum value will be MP. That maximum point will be, that maximum ordinate will be MP. And we do not know the value of X. We do not know that value. So write it as X. नहीं अभी तो that was the result of kinetic now. That was the result of kinetic. Then why I am intercepting both? We do not know that value. So we have to calculate. So after, what will be the value of the redundant? What will be the value of the redundant BMD? What will be the value of redundant BMD? ये होगा, that will be MP by L equals to Y by X. So value of Y will be X by L MP. Okay. Now when you will apply equilibrium condition, equilibrium at this point is, say this point is X मान लो, no problem. At X, this point is X, no problem. So the value of MP, that is MP plus it is X by L MP, that is equals to क्या होना चाहिए? That equals to this one. कितना होगा ये? निकाल लो यहाँ पे. दिस वन BMD कितनी होगी BMD? कैसे निकालोगे? WL by 2. तो बेंडिंग मोमेंट एट हियर MX कितना होगा? WL by 2 into X minus, that will be the value of free BMD. That is the value of free BMD. That is the value of free BMD. होगा नहीं होगा? What will be the value of free BMD? What will be the value of that? यहीं से निकाल लो. इतना पार्ट हुआ, WL by 2 into X minus, बस simple. So that free BMD will be, that BMD will equals to be summation of these two. Okay, so that will be MX. That will be MX. Okay. So by putting that, take common. So it will be L into L plus X of this side and for that side it is W L by 2 into x minus W by 2 x square. Okay, so to find the value of x, so the value of MP, क्या करें आप, फॉर मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, फॉर मैक्सिमम MP डिफरेंशिएट डेल MP बाई डेल x एज 0, डिफरेंशिएट डेल MP बाई डेल x एज 0. Yes, that is the value that I want to calculate from here. So the value of MP, कितना हुआ? It is L upon L plus x times of WL by 2 into x minus W by 2 x square. Okay, now differentiate this. For maximum MP, differentiate del MP by del x as 0, then you will get, निकाल के बताओ, इसको differentiate करें with respect to x as 0, differentiate this with respect to x as 0, and now equate as 0, then tell me the value of x, and that value will come to be 0.414L. ओके, किया किसी ने? करो इसको इक्वेट. Why you are not doing? आया ये किसी का? So इतना आएगा, छोड़ दीजिए, skip it out and find out. Write equation number 1. So from equation 1, what is the value of MP? Put the value of that x in that expression. Put the value of x as 0.414L in that expression and tell me the value of MP from here. इसको लिख के छोड़ दो, इतना ही होगा 0.414. it will comes out 0.414. आ रही है, करना जाके घर पे. Now tell me the value of MP after putting the value of x as 0.414 in this expression. What is that value? What is that? मैं कह रहा हूं x की वैल्यू 0.414 इसमें रख के मुझे MP की वैल्यू बताओ. वैल्यू इज 0.8, 0.0 0.0849 WL square. Okay, so what is the value of WL? 1 by 0.0849 MP by L. So is it 11.65 MP by L? Tell me. Is it same? Same? Is it same or different? है ना? Okay. So this is the procedure if you are calculating with static method. Okay, now let us consider this. Let us consider this. Next question, we are doing this. सामने listen, value of L and we want to find the value of the collapse load. Then it will have the, since this has the static indeterminacy, ds has 1, since it has the value of ds as 1, and to plot its free BMD, we will have this. Find out that reaction L. So the value will be W, I think. W reaction value होगा नहीं? So its free BMD will be here WL. Here it is also WL. It's, what is that? This is the free BMD. This is free BMD and collapse BMD. Collapse BMD. Collapse BMD, simply plot the BMD for the redundant first of all. So this is MP, that, okay, and then superpose that. So after superposing we will have this. So what will be the value of bending moment in collapse BMD? It will be MP, it will be MP. Okay, now apply equilibrium at कहाँ पे? At which point? If this point is A, if this point is B, if this is C, this is D, then apply equilibrium at point C. Apply equilibrium at point C. So we will get free BMD is WL. Free BMD is WL. Then equate as WL equals to MP plus that one part. We have to find. If that part is Y1, then value of MP divided by total is 3L equals to Y1 divided by 2L. So the value of Y1 is 2 by 3 MP. So MP plus 2 by 3 MP. So it comes to be 5 by 3 MP. So the value of WL, value of capital W, capital W means WC1, that value is 5 by 3 MP by L. 5 by 3 MP by L. Now apply equilibrium at point कहाँ पे? D पे. And the value of bending moment here, it is WL equals to, what is that value? Suppose it is Y2. So MP divided by, यहीं पे करें ना आगे, equate that also, equals to Y2 by L. So the value of Y2 is will be MP by 3. MP by 3. So it is MP plus MP by 3. So you will get 4 by 3 MP. Now the value of WC2, that value will have 4 by 3 MP by L. Therefore WC will be maximum or minimum of WC1 and WC2, which is that 4 by 3 MP by L. That is the value of collapse load for that case. Okay, I did that question by static method. You can also solve by kinematic method also. Now at the last we will take that example, that one. If the cross section is changing, any problem? No problem. Good. So at the next, ठीक है, if this type of thing is that, suppose load is applied, if that distance is L by 2, this is L by 2, if L, if the distance is L and this is L by 2, and value of MP, it is 2 MP and this is only MP. If that situation is here, then, and if we are using, if we want to find the value of collapse load, this W, by static method, then what I have to do? It's for DS. DS is how much? 1. Okay. So it's free BMD. Free BMD will be plotted by considering its uniform cross section, no problem. So this one and this one, remove that redundant X, and after that we will get this one. And what will be the value of that reaction? It will be W into L by 2 divided by 12. What is that value? W by 4. So this will be the W by 9. 3W by 4. So its BMD will have that ordinate value as 3WL by 4, and that will be the free BMD. That will be the free BMD. Okay? It's the same thing. Now, this is the free BMD, no problem. This is the free BMD, no problem. Now, when we are plotting the redundant BMD, we are facing the problem. No problem. We are facing the problem because of change of that cross section. So consider the plastic hinge here also. I have told you that at the change of the cross section there is a possibility to plastic hinge. So because this is the end point, so the direction will be in this direction, and in between the direction is a opposite direction, this one is. Okay. ये तो पहले के काटेंगे ना. नाउ इसका प्लॉट दैट बेंडिंग मोमेंट डायग्राम. This is what? This is the redundant. This is the redundant type of thing, and it's a BMD. Can be plotted. What will be the BMD? It's a, we know this plotation. If it is M1, if it is M2, then what is the BMD? M1, M2 with negative value. Here, what will be that? Because this one is it is 3 MP. Here direction is of opposite, so it will be in downward direction. What will be that? MP, and its BMD will be this. This will be minus and this will be plus. Clear? Clear to everybody? इसका मालूम है? That we know the BMD. So what will be the BMD for this one and that one? This shape we will have. Clear to everybody? Now, what will be the BMD? Bending moment for that, it is 0. So this is the BMD for the redundant. This is the BMD for the redundant only. This is minus, this is plus. आपको साइन ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, doesn't matter. Okay, so if the redundant BMD is plotted, then superpose these two to get the final. To get the final, superpose these two. After superposing, we will get this one. This is free BMD. This is what? Free BMD. And this is what? Redundant BMD. And the final is what? Collapse. Okay? So what can be that value? What can be that value? 3 MP. Okay? Now what can be that value? अब देखें यहाँ पे, this is minus sign, this is plus sign. This is minus sign, this is plus sign. So we have to take that value. Suppose this value is A, this value is B. In algebraic form, we will write here A minus B equals to what will be that value? MP. A minus B equals to MP. Clear to everybody? No, A is minus sign now. A is minus sign. A is of minus sign. This is of plus sign. That will be equals to be MP. या नहीं, ऐसा करें ना, A माइनस, यही ऐसा करते आ रहे हैं ना हम लोग. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. A माइनस MP, A माइनस B इक्वल्स टू MP. क्लियर? क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी? यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो? What we are doing? We will equate. Okay. We will equate at point D. What I will do? At point, if this point is A, this point is B, if this point is C, then when we will apply the equilibrium at C, equilibrium at point इसको, this is C and this is D, equilibrium at point C, then what I will do? I will apply 3 MP, I will apply free BMD. Free BMD is how much? 3 WL by 8. 3 WL by 8 equals to 3 MP plus that. ये कर रहे हैं ना हम? 3 MP plus that. So it is 3 MP plus, and this one is how much? This one is how much? We can plot from here. We will plot from here. Okay? So what will be that value? 3 MP divided by 3 MP divided by this one distance is a problem. Now can we plot? Can we find? Can we have that value? Okay, we will discuss this question by this method in the next class. Now I would like to solve that question using kinematic method. Okay, we will discuss that part in my next class. What should I do, what should I not do, because I am feeling now this distance, I am feeling problem. What should be that? Because that ordinate we should know. Okay, and let me tell you that the drawback of that method is only that if we are not able to plot the collapse BMD, then we never select that method. So it's a good thing that we are facing the problem. It's a good thing that I also want to tell you. If we are facing the problem, then skip that method and follow the kinematic method. And in kinematic method, we will solve very smooth in a very smooth manner. In a very smooth manner, we will solve. Clear? So switch over to the kinematic method. Kinematic method. So in kinematic method, we have this one. We have this one. Since ds, value of ds is equal to 1, then number of required hinge, it is required plastic hinge will be 2, and number of n will be total number of places where bending moment can be maximum. So it will be 1, 2, 3. It will be 3. So the number of mechanism to be considered. Number of mechanism to be considered. कितना होता है? How much is that? Capital N minus ds. So it is 3 minus 1. That is 2. Required plastic hinge is 2, but the allowable number of plastic hinge is 3. Therefore, it is 2 mechanism we will have. Okay. First is this one here. It will have the plastic moment MP. Since it is 3 MP now, so it is 3 MP here, and another plastic hinge will be here by 3 MP. Okay, first thing. Second thing, this one, and here also. It will have which one? 3 MP or MP? Lowest value we have to select. We have to select the lowest value. Okay? And here also, it is 3 MP. So these are the two mechanisms. Mechanism number 1. And it is the mechanism 2. These two mechanisms we have to consider. How? If this for mechanism number 1, what will be the deflected shape? For mechanism number 1, so for mechanism number 1, if we are equating W external equals to W internal, then we must have the which one diagram? Deflected shape. If this is the internal hinge here, then we will have this kind of, no, okay, correct, this kind of deflected shape. Okay, now the value of external bending moment, external work done, it will be W into delta. Another is no load is there, only W into delta. And internal work done, say this is theta 1, this is theta 2, then here it is theta 1, here it is theta 2. So what will be that? 3 amp into theta 1 plus 3 amp into theta 1 plus theta 2. So write here as 3 amp into theta 1 plus 3 amp into theta 1 plus theta 2. We will not consider that rotation because we do not have the plastic hinge at that point B. Okay. Now eliminate that. Value of theta 1 we know the value of theta 1 and we know the value of theta 2. Value of theta 1 is delta by how much that distance? L by 2 tha? If that distance is L by 2, no problem. L by 2. So it is delta by L by 2. So it is 2 delta by L. Now what is the value of theta 2? Theta 2 is the delta divided by kitna tha ye? This is L by 2. So 3L by 2. Delta upon 3L by 2 means 2 delta by 3. 3L, yes. 2 delta by 3L. And after putting that value, we can calculate W into delta equals to take common factor as MP into delta by L. Take common factor as MP into delta by L from that expression. So we will have 3 times of theta 1 means this one. 3 times of 2. Okay. 3 times of 2 for this plus 3 times of theta 1. Theta 1 is this 2 plus this is 2 by 3. Am I right? So now tell me that value. MP into delta by L. What is the fact either here? W into delta. Delta will be cancelled out. And W equals to WC1 for mechanism 1 equals to W can be calculated. What is that value? 14. So it is a 14 MP by L. 14 MP by L. This is the value of WC1 for mechanism number 1. Now for mechanism number 2. Now for mechanism number 2. For mechanism 2, we have to find the value of the collapse load. So mechanism 2 what will be the deflected shape for mechanism number 2? Since plastic hinge is here, when load is more than that, then deflected shape will have this value. If this is theta 1, if this is theta 2, then that value will be theta 1 and theta 2. Okay, apply that. So W external equals to W internal. W external means क्यों नहीं लग रहा? This one load is there ना? Under the load deflection is there, that you have to watch. You do not think only this deflection and load. This is the load, and there is under that load deflection is this. This is the deflection. Clear to everybody? This is the deflection. If the load is acting here, then that deflection we should consider. Clear to everybody? So W external will have that. Suppose this is delta 1, no problem. Suppose this is delta 1. So it is W into delta 1. Okay. Another is no load is there. Okay, that should be quoted as MP. Where? 3 MP by theta 1. That is theta 1 na? Theta 1. And here MP plus MP into theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay. Another? No is there. So replace kar le. We know very well how to eliminate that. Theta 1, value of theta 1 is how much? It is delta 1 by this one distance L by 2. L by 2 means it is 2 delta 1 by L. What is the आगे भी? It is also same equals to delta by L. Okay, and value of theta 2 is delta by L. Okay, using this similarity we can calculate. So assume as theta, then what will be that value? Delta by L, that will also be theta, no problem. It's very simple. Mid पे है क्या? Okay, it is at the mid, L and L, so it is very simple. Okay, so put that value, and now delta 1 and delta में relation here you can observe from here. So what is the value of delta 1? Delta 1 is del by 2. Okay, so apply that. W into delta by 2 equals to take common factor as MP into delta by L. Take that common factor. So here 3 into theta plus here 3 into 2 theta. Clear? Am I right? Yes. So okay, let me check. Theta 1 is theta. Okay, 3 times is okay, correct? Theta 1 plus theta 2 both are same. Theta 2 theta. Is it correct, bhai? So it is 5. So the value of WC2 equals to W equals to 5 means 10 MP by L. 10 MP by L. Okay. So what should be the value of the collapse load for that case? This one means नीचे लिखें. Therefore collapse load will be minimum of WC1 and WC2, and therefore it is 10 MP by L. It is 10 MP by L. What it means? The assumed mechanism, that mechanism is correct. Means plastic hinge will form simultaneously at point A, D. Okay, यहाँ पे बाद में बनेगी. Okay, so this question was a very best example when and how static method has to be skipped out. If we are facing the problem to plot the collapse BMD, okay, then we do not have to follow that method. Okay, come out from that method. That method is suitable only and only when the plantation of the collapse BMD is simple. Plantation of the free BMD is not a simple, is not the difficult type of thing. It is a very simple type of thing, because after removing the redundant we can plot that. But the plantation of the collapse BMD, it may simple, it may difficult. In that question plantation of collapse BMD was not simple. Okay, that's why we have skipped out, and from the kinematic method we have calculated the values. Okay, thank you for today.